Today we're going to work with the same material that we did yesterday for homework. You were given an equation. I'm going to ask you to fill in the table, graph the line onto the graph, and then figure out if the point satisfies the equation or not. Now for this particular one, I'm actually going to do number 4 with you, and then you're going to go back and do number 3. So number 3 is at the top. You guys will do that after you finish the video. Right now, let's do number 4 together. For number 4, we have y equals negative 5x plus 4. Again, just like yesterday, I'm going to substitute in the points they give me in my chart to find the corresponding y values. So we have y equals negative 5 times negative 0.5 plus 4. Negative 5 times negative 0.5, please use your calculator to help you. That's going to be a positive 2.5. Plus 4 equals 6.5. Don't worry that it's a decimal. We'll be able to graph it still. The next one is 0. So y equals negative 5 times 0 plus 4. Negative 5 times 0 is 0. Plus 4 equals 4. Now we substitute in a 0.5. So y equals negative 5 times 0.5 plus 4. Negative 5 times positive 0.5 is a negative 2.5 plus 4. Negative 2.5 plus 4 is equal to 1.5. Substitute in a 1. So y equals negative 5 times 1 plus 4. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Plus 4 equals negative 1. Now I can't fit 2 over here, so I'm just going to move over and I'm going to show my work below the table. So y equals negative 5 times 2 plus 4. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Plus 4 equals negative 6. From here we plot our points on the graph. Now let's just start with the easy ones first. So an easy point for me to graph is 0, 4. 0 and then 4 just means I go up 4 onto the y-axis. 1, negative 1 is also easy to graph. 1, negative 1 is right 1, down 1. And then 2, negative 6 also isn't too bad. Move over to the right 2 and down 6. Now I have the decimals to deal with, but again, they're not too bad. I have negative 0.5 and 6.5. Negative 0.5 is between 0 and negative 1. So I'm going to go in the middle. And then 6.5 means I need to go up 6.5. So I'm going to put my dot right there. Hold on one sec. About right in the middle there. And so that one's done. And now 0.5, 1.5. 0.5 is between 0 and 1. 1.5 means I go up 1.5. So about right there is where my other dot is going to go. With all of those points, I'm going to do the best I can to graph the line here. Draw a nice straight line as best as you can. Arrows at the end of both sides. And we are going to label it. The label is y equals negative 5x plus 4. Finally, I have to decide if the point 1, negative 1 satisfies the equation. 1, negative 1 is in my table. I can also look. It is on my graph, where it's not the part where I put the x, so it does satisfy the equation. Again, as a reminder, what I would like you to do at this point is to please complete number 3 up here, and I will check that this whole entire page is done tomorrow.